This one has been running. These two are running. Whoa! Now all three of these are running. Let's go. I think this is the first time I've seen all three of these on at one time. In my 7 years of going to this place. So this XB is on more recent now. It's rattling. Damn spider webs. That's cold and sweaty. That's hot. Same at that one. And that one. I can hear the Goodman running. Or not. Oh, this one just turned off. Now this is good. Compressor doesn't sound the happiest, but seems to be working fine. Yep, that's working great. This one is super quiet, and this one is not running. And I don't know, has it been running? Yeah, it has been. I don't know why these ones get so many spider webs and the other buildings don't. Oh, the disconnect box as well. The lines that go all the way up there. Concord is rattling. Hot air coming out the top. It's working great. Oh my gosh, I think it's filthy. Oh, the root has definitely been running. Look how sweaty that line is. Guardian's running. That is a ginormous liquid line. Look at that. Is super loud. Other King's running too. This has been running. That one I don't think has been. It's almost as big as the liquid line for that one Guardian. Holy crap. Was that the car or the AC that just turned off? It was the car. It hasn't been running. I'm actually kind of surprised. It's hot as hell out here today. Oh, no way. Oh, no compressor. This one's running out the compressor. Uh-oh. Oh, great. It's doing the same thing the other one is doing. You guys remember that one? Whoa! That's not good. This one's also running. This one sounds choice as hell. Start this. That's cold air coming out the fan. That thing has a bad compressor. Oh, I thought this one turned on. Let's do that one.